How to remove server in Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove server in Plex. So in order to remove server in Plex, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, all you need to do is just go ahead and log in into your Plex account. So for that, type in plex.tv/desktop and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page itself, you have to go ahead and tap on your profile icon located in the top right hand side corner. After you click on it, go to account settings, and that's going to directly take you to the account settings page. And while you're on this page, you have to scroll down a bit and go to streaming services. So currently the services or the streaming service is not available in my region, but if you've already enabled it, you need to select the server and click on the three dot icon next to it, and then a drop down menu will appear with the various options. So from there, you need to go ahead and tap on the remove server or delete server and click on the option to initiate the remove process. Plex will ask you to confirm that whether you want to remove the server or not, and you have to confirm it. And after confirming, Plex will remove the selected server from your account, and it may take a few moments for the removal process to complete. After the server has been removed, verify that it's no longer listed in the server settings. So in this way, you can remove your server in Plex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.